Come on, buddy. You got this.
Almost through.
Yes, I'm in. Time to make it rain.
Oh, come on!
Yes! That's for stealing my lunch money, Brad.
Wasn't it like 10 years ago?
Up. Revenge is a dish best served cold. And incredibly late.
Wow. Remind me never to mess with you.
A wise choice, my friend. I'm a stone-cold badass with nerves of steel.
We are Dedsec. We have taken notice of your skills. Come to the abandoned warehouse on Pier 33 for your next step. Remember, we are always watching.
Wow. What do you think? Should we go?
Heck yeah. I just gotta change to something a little less, soiled first.
We all say what? When we see something hot, we say what? When we see something not, we say what? I love my city and I love my town. I like the way it looks and I like the way it sounds.
Hello? Anybody home?
Guess not. Okay, let's go.
You came! Good. You're probably wondering why we summoned you.
His face is a mask.
We've been watching you for some time now.
It even lights up.
Your skills are exemplary, but your application is all wrong. You're wasting your time playing these childish pranks when you could be out there making a difference.
You think it's LED? Oh yeah, it's gotta be.
It's clear you have no purpose. Dedsec would like to give you one. We want you to help us bring down the corrupt officials running the city and put the power back in the hands of the people. So, what do you say?
Oh man, we are so in.
Yes, we're just gonna need some LAN cables, a surge protector, maybe a few juice boxes if you can
Not so
squeeze it.
fast, boys. You two are in need of a serious upgrade before you're ready to play in the big leagues.
And you lost me with a sports reference.
If you want to be part of Dedsec, you're gonna need three things. The right look, the right tech, and the right moves. Before you can act the part, you gotta look the part. Pick something that's hip, lets you move, but doesn't attract too much attention. You want to stand out while blending in. In a wireless world, if you're tethered, you're dead. So your tool's gotta be light, mobile, and unexpected. Like this drone here. He'll help you case joints and spot threats before they even know you're there. If you want to set change into motion, then first you gotta master motion. You gotta be as fast as a lightning bolt and fluid as a river. A frictionless force for good. But the most important tool in your entire arsenal is this.
Real nice phone you got there, Ace. What's that, got a dual-core processor and a gig of RAM?
2013 called, they want their tech back.
Did you just hack a car with your phone?
You were saying?
Yeah, just take that.
Yes!
All right, boys. As Full-fledged members of Dedsec, we have your first mission for you. We're looking to expose X-Corp for some illegal insider trading. It's a simple data transfer job. Easy in, easy out. Even noobs like you two should be able to pull it off.
Wait, it's just gonna be us? We're not getting any backup?
Don't worry about it. With the training and gadgets we gave you, nothing could possibly go wrong.
Did you get him? The transfer's at 95%! We gotta distract him!
Hold up, I got a text.
Me too.
Me 3. I never get texts. It's because no one likes you, Phil.
Check that out. Here, take a picture of me.
Okay.
Okay, got it. Let's get out of here. Just hack the door and we're home free. What? Something's wrong. I can't unlock the door. What? Did you try the Fibonacci subroutine?
I've tried everything!
No. We can't have come this far just to lose. There's gotta be something we can do.
Well, you better think of something fast, Melvin.
Wait. I've got an idea. It's crazy, but it just might work.
Do it.
After you. Oh, thank you.
Well, it was a bit unorthodox, but you got the job done. We got your next assignment lined up. You'll be going after a crooked politician running for re-election. I think you'll find this job a little more your speed.
Oh, come on! Yeah!
Hey folks, thanks for watching. We want to give a big shout out to Ubisoft and Watch Dogs 2 for sponsoring this video. For more information on the game, click the link in the description. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on all the latest Warp Zone content, now coming at you every Tuesday and Thursday. Anywho, that's all the time we have for you today. Melvin and the Warp Zone out.